How to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself in English is a common social convention that typically involves sharing your name and some basic information about yourself. Here's an example of how you could introduce yourself in English. Hello, my name is Anna Pitt. I'm 27 years old and I'm from Canada. I currently work as a freelancer. In my free time, I enjoy dancing. Nice to meet you. Introduce yourself formally or informally. Of course, you can adjust the level of detail and formality in your introduction depending on the context and the person you're speaking to. For example, in a more casual setting, you might simply say, "Hey, I'm Anna," or "Hi, I'm Anne." How can I adjust my introduction for a more formal setting? In a more formal setting, such as a job interview or a business meeting, you may want to adjust your introduction to sound more professional and polished. Here are some tips for introducing yourself in a formal setting. Use a formal greeting. Good morning, afternoon, evening, instead of a casual, hello, or hey. Use your full name. Instead of just saying your first name, use your full name. State your current position and company. Mention your current position and the company you work for. For example, I am currently the marketing manager at an Apple company. Highlight your relevant experience. Mention your relevant experience and education that make you qualified for the position or meeting. For example, I have over 10 years of experience in marketing and a degree in business administration. Use appropriate language. Use formal language and avoid slang or colloquialisms. Speak clearly and confidently. End with a polite statement. End your introduction with a polite statement, such as, "Thank you for having me," or, "It's a pleasure to meet you." Good morning. My name is Mrs. Pitt and I am currently the marketing manager at an Apple company. I have over 10 years of experience in marketing and a degree in business administration. I am excited to be here today and look forward to discussing how I can contribute to the success of this project. Thank you for having me.